I'm Steve Rhode, and you're still not. But hello, Fairfax County. All right, my coffee is hot. I hope yours is too. Let's do this. There are green bins rolling out to curbs all over Falls Church, and 70% of neighbors decided, yeah, I'm in. Count me in. Also, delicious Swedish meatballs are officially heading to Chantilly. Thank you. An Army veteran from Fairfax is now running a program that's changing lives for 1,100 fellow veterans through golf. And there's a catapult waiting for your leftover pumpkins this weekend. I'm glad you're back with me. Let's do this. And don't forget, I got that dad joke for you at the end. It'll make your day. It's actually pretty good. All right, so more than 70% of Falls Church homes jumped on board with the city's new organics disposal program. And honestly, it's a pretty impressive turnout. Arlington Now says folks are ready to compost more and trash less using those green bins the city handed out. If you've seen your neighbor rolling a different bin to the curb lately, now you know why. It's one of those small action, big ripple types of things. Everybody's doing a little bit, and it all adds up to a lot less waste heading to the landfills. Falls Church showing up for the environment. Go Falls Church! The blue and yellow is officially moving in. IKEA is taking over the Dulles Expo Center spot in Chantilly. Ooh, that's going to be good. WTOP confirmed it all, and the rumors were full-blown, but true. IKEA is coming to that location. So if you've been secretly dreaming of Swedish meatballs and lingonberries and flat-pack furniture, well, it's all going to be a bit closer to home. Your wish just got granted. But beyond the shopping, this means jobs, development, and a whole lot of new traffic coming to that corridor. Chantilly's about to get a serious Scandinavian upgrade. All right, this next one's the kind of story that shows you what commitment to service actually looks like. There's an Army veteran named Tony Kovacic, and he lives right here in Fairfax with his wife Marlene and their 2 kids. And he just got named Program Director of PGA Hope. It's the Mid-Atlantic section of the PGA of America. Now, if you're not familiar, PGA Hope stands for Helping Our Patriots Everywhere, and it's a program that uses golf as physical, mental, and emotional therapy for military veterans. Tony's now overseeing more than 60 programs across 31 golf facilities. This dude is commuting. And those facilities are spread across Virginia, Maryland, and D.C., and we're even talking 1,100 veterans served every year through this program, and it's all completely free. All of it funded by donations. The program has a formal partnership with the Department of Veterans Affairs, so VA medical staff can actually refer veterans as part of their therapeutic care. Since 2015, more than 50,000 veterans nationwide have participated. That's no small thing. Tony's not just managing a program, he's running something that gives veterans a path back to community, back to healing, back to something that feels normal again after service. And he's doing it right here in Fairfax. So when you hear about someone taking their own military experience and turning it into a way to serve thousands of other veterans, well, that's the kind of commitment that deserves recognition. He's making a real difference, one round of golf at a time. Oh, one more before we wrap up. You got a pumpkin that's starting to sag on the front porch? Well, instead of tossing it in the trash, Fairfax Now says you got options. We love options. You can recycle or compost it, and this is a fun one. You can take it to Cox Farms this weekend for Pumpkin Madness, where they will launch it with a catapult. Yeah, you heard that right. A catapult. So for pumpkins that are headed into the afterlife, this is the way for you to say goodbye in a very festive way. It involves physics and a little chaos, and hey, this is your moment. Take the kids. It'll be fun. Just, heads up. Frying Pan Farm Park isn't taking pumpkins this year, so heave yours into the air accordingly at Cox Farms. I got your dad joke coming up, but Links to all of these stories are in the show description. So if you want more information on how to hurl your pumpkin into the stratosphere, go to the description, click the link. And while you're there, pay attention to what podcast platform you're listening to this on right now. And if you haven't done it yet, click follow or subscribe or whatever other button there is so that you are always notified when the next show comes out. And while you're there, hey, do this old guy a solid and leave me a 5-star review. Really, I appreciate it. Okay, that's what I got for you. But before I go, here's your dad joke. What's the difference between a well-dressed man on a unicycle and a poorly dressed man on a bicycle? A tire. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.